Welcome. In front of me is a UNIHERTZ Tank 3, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and once you see your boot options, hold power off. This in turn changes into reboot to safe mode, which you will confirm by selecting OK. Wait for the device to boot back up, and once it does, it will automatically go into safe mode. Now, in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. And this is designed so you can troubleshoot your device if you have some kind of software problems by booting it into safe mode. If some application was causing you problems, said application can do nothing anymore. So in here we can see that widgets will not work, and there is no applications on my home screen that I can showcase, but typically there's two alternatives. If you have downloaded applications on your home screen, they might either just disappear while you're in safe mode, or they become monochrome and semi-transparent. In either case, it's not like you're going to be able to use them. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, hold your power button and select Restart. When the device boots back up again, it automatically boots into normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.